Howdy folks, this is Ruby Rambles. Today I'm going to have a little tutorial how to show you how to make some bread and butter. Now this is a classic American recipe. Just has two simple ingredients. There are some variations. I'm just going to show you the way that I've always done it, how I was learned how to do it when I was growing up. All you're going to need is some bread. I got this Wonder Classic white bread here today, and a knife and some butter. Got some great value salted butter here. I'll go ahead and show you how to make it. First, you grab yourself a slice of bread. There it is right there. Pop it on the plate. And you take your knife, carefully scoop out a little bit of butter onto the knife, like so. And then here's the tricky part, is you place the knife with the butter on it against the bread like so. And you can kind of spread it around the surface of the bread. Make sure to get it all over, edge to edge. That's important. Consistency is key. Okay, some people like to butter both sides. I don't, because it comes a little bit messy. So I usually just leave one side buttered. And then that's what the finished product looks like. Bread and butter. I'm going to go ahead and give it a try and let y'all know what it tastes like. Yep, tastes just like bread and butter. A very great combination. Y'all go ahead and give this recipe a try. Let me know how it tastes for y'all in the comments. And until next time, this has been Ruby Rambles. Y'all have a wonderful day.